So yeah, guys, this I kind of like realized that some people don't know how to use this boat app, and I'd like to share some enlightenment on how to use this app because so many people are making the drivers. They are making it so hard for the drivers to locate them when they order because sometimes when they order the boat, their location aren't accurate. It sends the location somewhere else whilst they are somewhere else. They could be nearby the location, but what if the driver doesn't know the neighborhood? How is he going to locate or find you? Because it has been happening to so many drivers. It's not every driver who knows everywhere in Accra. So you shouldn't think that every driver should know every place, every corner, every narrow place or any place in Accra. Some drivers don't know some places. It's You can't be an all-knowing driver, you know. So yeah, I've come to realize that so many like people or riders makes it very difficult for drivers to locate them so much. So first thing, when you start the app, like when you start the app, the boat app. No, wait. When you start the boat app, right? This. When you start the boat app like this, the thing is an app, right? It's like an AI. It's like a robot. It doesn't give accurate or give it 100. It's not 100 accuracy. So sometimes the location could send you like somewhere that you're not there, but mine right now, mine is really right on my location. You see where I tap right now, that's to refresh to know exactly where you're located, or that target symbol. When you tap on it, right, it refreshes, it makes sure it gives the app, it sends like a message to the app to find your real location, to the GPS, for you to find your real location. When you tap on it, you see whenever I tap on it, it's because it's my right location, that's why it's not moving. If I should go anywhere like this and tap on it again, you see it will bring it back there. That means that's my right location. And the moment you should order, let's say I'm ordering to like in Nungwa, anywhere, like anywhere like this. The moment you click, I I'll just tap on like Nungwa Secondary School. So the moment you click on this right now, it loads. After loading, right? Okay, it seems my internet is very slow, but oh well, let's just deal with it like that. Sometimes the internet is slow. I'm using MTN though, so I don't know. So yeah, nah. Sorry about how I was talking though. So yeah, when you input your destination, it comes like this. I think you all know that. So you select boat, you select it, it asks you confirm pickup. You got it. Sometimes the confirm pickup is also not accurate. It can send the confirm pickup somewhere else. So it asks you confirm pickup if that's exactly your location that you want the boat driver to come to exactly. Sometimes maybe you could be on the road and you're walking towards somewhere else and ordering or like making an order. That doesn't mean that the moment you walk in, the moment you make an order and everything, it follows you. No, it doesn't. Some writers think it follows them, but no, it doesn't. It doesn't at all. It doesn't follow you. So when you order, it has to be at the rightful place. It has to be at your location, where you want the car to get to. If you're walking towards somewhere, then that means, let's say maybe I'm walking to the top, then I'll send the pickup point here. You got it. Seems my internet is fucking up. So yeah, you got it. This is my right location. So after that, when maybe you want to meet the driver at the top here, right? You just put it there as your pickup location. Then you just confirm order. You click on the confirm order. Then it starts looking. Yeah, this is the new price. Well, it seems the price has gotten high, so it has been adjusted. So yeah, confirm order. And when you confirm order, the driver comes, like, it will start searching for a driver. Well, my internet, it's not good, so I don't know. So yeah, it confirms and searches for a driver for you. Then the driver comes to where the pickup point is. So yeah, this is the first tutorial for riders, like now requesting order. So now I cancel because I'm not requesting, I'm not going anywhere. So I have to cancel. Well, still seems my internet is still, I don't know why MTN is doing this to me today. Alright, well, I think this is the first tutorial. I'll bring up the next tutorial about what we call, I cancelled it and look, driver arrives in 5 minutes. I just cancelled the order. Like, sorry driver, I cancelled it. You're not supposed to come. Like, accidental request. So yeah, there it is. Yep. So this the end of the first tutorial, how to order a ride to your rightful location where you actually are, or where you want the driver to meet you at. That's it. Thank you.